In this video, you are going to see how to set up a MacBook. This is going to be a complete beginner guide that also helps existing MacBook users if they have just formatted and are setting up their MacBook again. First step is you need to select the language. Next, click on the side arrow key at the bottom right side. On the next screen, select the country and click on continue. In the next window, it shows the preferred languages. You can customize it if you want by clicking on the customize settings option on the bottom left side. If everything is okay, click on continue at the bottom right side. Next, the accessibility menu will open. If you're facing any of these issues, you can turn on the assistant. If you don't want it, click on the not now button at the bottom right side. You can also add and customize these later in the settings. Next, connect to Wi-Fi. You can even connect using the hotspot of your mobile phone. Next, click on continue at the bottom right side. Then click on continue again on the next screen. Next, the migration window will open. If you have an older MacBook, you can copy the data. Even Windows is supported here. Then click on continue. Next, it asks for the Apple ID. You can enter it now or do it later as well. Click on setup later at the bottom left side. Then select skip in the pop-up. Next, agree to the terms and conditions. Next, you need to create an account for your Mac. Enter all the details and click on continue. It will take some time to create the account, just wait. Once it's done, it asks for location services. You can enable it or continue as it is. Next, you can choose the same for analytics as well. In the next screen, you can customize some more settings like screen time. I'm selecting setup later. Next, Siri, you can enable or disable it. Then it asks for Touch ID enrollment if your Mac supports it. You can set this up later as well if you want. Next, select the theme look you want, dark, light or auto. After selecting that, it's done. The main screen will be shown like this. That's it guys. This is how you can set up your MacBook without any errors.